Hi, in this video, I'll popularize on how to learn collect your information and then show there available like Google available, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Google. Then let's dive in. Actually, I was to enter this query course and Google show over here. My query is what do you know about algorithm? And Google show about algorithm is a prevention consultant who specialize in helping business and grow their online presence. He focuses on SEO, GEO, strategy optimizations, and other related strategies and improve website visibility and rank in others. And that means I'm about to this my and I'm just for this. Basically, I'm go any business or website in Google or other search engine and improve their search result. That improve click through rate. That means this is my identity and this are my work professions. Like same way I'm searching Perplexity, this is the AI tools. Same they are same answer also person search engine is a search engine specialist SEO specialist in assist brand and growing their online person and for smart page strategies on pages technical audit and like boosting ranking same way all things are same like same way I'm go to the check search same for algorithm young professional special Bangladesh detected and helping business and rank higher and go organize. They are more professionally answer these questions who is got to then answer. Then now you can ask me how to collect this information. Like I can click show more, and in this section is the we are called source, and in this sources section Google and other AI tool are collect information and then show their overview. Now I am click show more all and then show the past LinkedIn, and here is my personal channel link to this link to I am linked it my all account, and that's why here is so my Linktree account. And right now we and always past present feature Google as party and other territory party content is going because people are scam because they are want to some information, that's why content is made, and even matter of authority and trust we are called EAT experience expertise for authorityness and trustworthy. And authority why is made when it search then first source section is LinkedIn because LinkedIn is a social media professional social media, and this social media have a lots of authorities like under 200, but my website is nil. That's why we are not of an authority like one or two maybe authority. The main you can't understand what is authority and how to work. For example, you are a doctor, even I am doctor, but you are in this doctor field at a like 5 years experience, but I have a 2 or 3 months experience. Then people are who is trust and go to the obviously then they are treatment. Obviously him because he has a some experience like 5 years. That's why people are trusting. But I am a 2 or 3 months. Then why we are trusting? But my identity is that I'm a specialist. That's why Google's are collect this information in LinkedIn because LinkedIn has lots of authorities. That's why here is show the firstly linking. That's how we improve our authority, build our authority website, and then goals and others add to the priority or content and even websites and Google personal branding. Say okay, now you can ask me how to do. Then rank our content. For example, I'll go to the doc sections. Okay, actually I was make this sheet and you will follow these all strategies. Well, that's enough. Day by day you are improve and rank your content and then getting topics, and right now increase your branding. Search what benefits of black seed oil. Search what benefits of black seed oil, then Google will show about you. Okay, first area is this. This is the awareness search, then Google show overview section, click over show more. Then there is types of features. Why important features can nowadays or add our content. Paragraph snippet means when I search what benefits of black city, then there is some short answer. There's feature snippet means when you are go your upload your content in any social media website and shortly explain this what is your main goals. Like this their main goals is what the black city what benefits, then Google has shortly first answer the paragraph passage, and this is first paragraph snippet a short text answer then this is short answer and when people are quickly understand and there are no more information there. You are add your step-by-step content guideline like step-by-step instructions of bullet point, and this is the call step by step and bullet point we are called these sections. And here is cyber is show the link section. When I click this link, then show the website section, and in this website they are collect information and then show their overview. And last is video summary, a short part of video on showing the future time video is priority SEO parts, because nowadays all things have changes, SEO changes. That's why we need to be previous following time. We are prioritize our short videos. Like click this area, like videos. Here show the videos, and any people are go to the video like YouTube. But right now people are search ChatGPT and AI models, and this is the work of LLM, large language model. And like people are go to the any videos, then they are practical watch this video quickly understand. But many people, our audience are not, they are not having enough time. That's why they are go to the check the videos and do, and then they are solve their problem. That's why we need to first priority in future things. And then FAQ section, you are thinking what is your niche, and then what is your niche relevant audience, are there, what types of question they have, and then you are fulfill up in this question in your content, and then Google are for automatically over one your audience are search this types of question are search in any search in Google or Perplexity. Basically right now ChatGPT the best LLM. That's why like ChatGPT search, then quickly your content is quality content, then quickly rank your content in they are ChatGPT searching and grow your brand, and people are trust your content. That's why we need to educate sections. Here is help your visitor quickly find answer and without connecting you. Like not you go not go to the important, go to your website, boost SEO, Google open user or FAQ context features provide Google also ask boxes. Like here it is a call, people also ask FAQ sections. We are collect this all keyword and then answer these questions, and then so enter your answer in your content. And last is PMS, because the same way answer this your people questions, and then show your content. And last is structure, and basically I'm called schema, and it helps engine understand products. Your ideas structure data, then Google quickly understand and quickly find your content, and then show their search result and enable rich result and links, star rating, pricing, like lots of basically, for example, local types of website, local business ever there need to be a key remarks from how many ever reviews, then Google will quickly understand and then show their own result of first section, second section, and third sections. And lastly, improve SEO ranking thicker, and then click there improve, click to it, and then get they are getting traffic and customer. I hope you can understand how to work LLM, how what to do, what to LLM, then rank our content. Thank you so much. I hope you can understand, or any question, enter your question in comment section. Thank you so much watching this video. Till then, goodbye.